Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off sound effects on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open the Twitter app and tap on your user icon in the top left corner. Tap Settings and Support from the menu, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap Accessibility, Display and Languages. Then select Display. In the Sounds section, turn off the toggle to the right of sound effects. It will go from blue to grey when turned off. Your Twitter sound effects are now turned off. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.